Now, if I take electronic configuration N2 positive, so there are 7 to the 14 electron minus 1 electron, there are 13 electron is there. So sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then we have pi 2px, pi 2py. So initially we have to give 2 electrons to this one, 2 electrons to this one, 2 electrons to this one, 2 electrons to this one. 8 electrons, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then sigma 2pz, 12 electron goes, 1 electron left, sigma 2pz has 1 electron. Now one more things you have to do, you write Nb is number of bonding electrons. So there are bonding electron other than the star. So there is bonding electron 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. Number of bonding electron is 9. Number of antibonding electrons, star electrons, this is 1, this is another. There is 2 electron here, 2 electron here. The number of antibonding electron is 4. So from that you can calculate bond order. Bond order equal to half into 9 minus 4. So half into 5 equal to 2.5. So bond order is your 2.5. Another one, you can draw a conclusion about the magnetic nature. Magnetic nature, since it contains unpaired electrons, if there is unpaired electron is there, you have to write paramagnetic. Now similarly, if I write the electronic configuration N2, everything will be same, but last one sigma 2pz 2 electrons, because there are 14 electrons. So sigma 2pz there are 2 electrons. So in that case your Nb become 10, Na become 4. So bond order half into 10 minus 4, bond order become 3. And magnetic nature, since all this contains 2 electrons, so all the paired electron gives it diamagnetic in nature. So like that, if I want to write the electronic configuration of O2, if you want to write the electronic configuration of O2, so if I want to write electronic configuration of O2 having 8 to the 16 electron, so the pattern will be followed like that: sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. And then pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py. Now you cannot give 2 electrons here. So 1 electron in this case, 1 electron you have to give in this case. This is the strictly in accordance to the Hund's rule. So number of bonding electron you count: 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 7 8 9 10. Number of bonding electron 10. Number of antibonding electron 2 plus 2 4 5 6. So antibonding electron 6. Your bond order is what? 10 minus 6 by 2. The bond order become 2. So there is 2 bonds between oxygen atom. And last one, your magnetic nature. So since there is unpaired electron here, So it will be your paramagnetic. So in magnetic nature it will be your paramagnetic. So like that the things goes. Now if I want to write the electronic configuration of helium, so helium having 2 to the 4 electron, so it is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. There is 2 electron here, 2 electron here, 2. So its bond number of bonding electron is 2, number of anti-bonding electron is 2. Its bond order become 2 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 0. Now you can write, since bond order is 0, therefore He2 does not exist. So He2 does not exist means for that we need not require to go for what is called its magnetic nature and all these things. So student, now we are taking the last topic of this unit. This is hydrogen bond. Now hydrogen bond, actually we are have to remember one word. This is the Vodafone, FON. So hydrogen bond is the bond formed. Hydrogen bond, the bond formed between hydrogen atom and electronegative atom such as fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen is called hydrogen bond. Now hydrogen forming a bond with F, oxygen, nitrogen. Hydrogen forming a bond with fluorine is HF, HF, HF. The bond that is dotted bond are your hydrogen bond, and these are truly covalent bond. So this is dot in this side, dot in this side. Now hydrogen bond, actually you have hydrogen bond of two types. Hydrogen bond are of two types. One is your intermolecular, another one is intramolecular. So hydrogen bond formed between different molecule is intermolecular. This is your intermolecular. Or intramolecular hydrogen bond formed within the same molecule. This molecule name is ortho nitrophenol. So there is a within the same molecule, means this hydrogen and oxygen form the hydrogen bonding. So within the same molecule form, this is called your intramolecular. Now hydrogen bond affects the physical properties, because due to hydrogen bond number one, state changes, means water remains liquid state due to hydrogen bond, whereas H2S remains in gaseous state. Second point is boiling point become high due to hydrogen bond. For example, due to hydrogen bond, the boiling point of ammonia, HF, water is more than other hydrates. of their group. So up to this we have unit 4. Thank you.